In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a vocal-only recording and use Extend in Suno to turn it into a full musical idea. We'll be starting with a vocal-only audio file, which means a recording that contains just your voice and no full instrumental underneath it. This works especially well if you already have a melody, a hook, or a rough vocal idea that you want to build into something more complete. To begin, upload your vocal recording using the Upload Audio option. Before you do that, it helps to make sure your file is clear and easy to hear. A cleaner vocal usually gives better results because the system can more easily understand the phrasing, timing, and overall feel of what you're singing. Once the file is uploaded, take a moment to confirm that the correct audio has been added and that it sounds the way you expect. After the upload is complete, click Extend on the file you just added. This is the feature that allows Suno to continue from your original recording and develop it into a larger musical piece. In other words, instead of starting from nothing, you're giving it a vocal foundation to build from. That can make the result feel more personal and more closely connected to your original performance. Next, provide your lyrics and style directions. This is a very important part of the process because it helps guide how the generated music will support your voice. For the lyrics, enter the words you want the song to follow or continue with. If your uploaded vocal already includes some lyrics, make sure what you enter matches the intended flow as closely as possible. For the style directions, describe the kind of sound you want. Keep your instructions clear and specific. For example, you can indicate the genre, mood, energy level, or production style you're aiming for. The goal here is to help Suno blend your vocal sound into the generated melody in a way that feels natural and musically cohesive. If your vocal delivery is soft and emotional, your style directions